We're making strawberry chocolate turkeys. Last time we made just strawberry chocolate. We just made chocolate strawberries last time. But today we're making strawberry chocolate turkeys. So these are going to be the legs. We're going to stick them on each. And then it's going to become a turkey.
What are the ingredients that we need?
We need pretzels, little small ones, and we need some strawberries, and of course my favorite, the chocolate candies.
And of course...
Oh! Why? There's nothing. Oh yeah, I forgot. Chocolate dip for strawberries or pretzels. Or anything.
Alright, first step. Put it in the microwave so they can get soft. And you can also use caramel, right? What are you doing, Faith?
Making it. Is it good? Oh wait. Cover the bar. Where's the bar? I don't know where the bar is.
So those are their turkey legs. Alright. Okay, stick it to the strawberry.
Mom, I want to have the strawberry. Sorry, I said that. It's because I'm eating chocolate.
You're not supposed to be eating one turkey.
This is too hard. I give up. You put it in the microwave, grab one, and then dry the strawberry, and then you break it apart like this. And then when you break it apart, you have to glue it onto the sticks, and then glue it onto the strawberry that's dry. Because if it's wet, the juice will come out and it will not stick, see? That's what happened to me because I wasn't paying attention. So yeah, sticking this in, that's my way of sticking it in. What's your way of sticking it in? Oh my God. See, I told you, Mom. It needs to be more dry. And you said, "Oh, it's fine." See, Mom? Look what's happening. It's not even working. See what I mean, Mom?
Oh.
Sorry about all that mess I did earlier. But I came up with a new idea. I just stick the sticks in, and you can also stick the chocolate in. Just make a big hole, and bam, you have it. Well, not when it falls off. It just does that. And it's okay. What? This is gonna be mine anyway. I'm gonna eat it.
Wow. It's Faith's new invention, right, Faith? Okay, finish.
Yep. This one I did it without cutting.
Wow.
I just did it like this.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna do another.
Is this the final result, Faith?
Yep. Well, not really, because the other one that I made, it's in the fridge.